Before attaching the bottom deck onto your frame, you're going to have to prepare a few things. The first thing is going to be one of your deck blanks. Now, by this stage, the deck blank would have had plenty of time to dry, so we need to remove all of the glue squeeze out and tape that we left on from the gluer. Once you've removed any squeeze out, you can move on to getting your paper template that is included in your kit and cutting it out using a pair of scissors. Now, the template is full size, however, it is only 1/2 of the deck, so to use it, you need to lay it along the center line of your deck blank and tape it along its seam. Once you have it taped down, you can use chalk or a marker to trace the outline while also marking the locations of the ribs so it makes it easy for alignment later. Once you've got one side traced, simply flip it over along the seam and trace the other side. Once you've marked the outline of your deck template, you can now come back with a jigsaw and cut the outline. Now, it's important not to cut straight to the line, but give yourself an extra 10-15 millimeters or 1/2 inch of safety material on the outline so that if you do have any alignment issues while you're getting things glued down, it's not the end of the day if it's slightly off. And once you've got your deck outline cut, you can move on to getting the workbench set up for the gluer.